everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a BoxyCharm unboxing, and guess what? This month we have BoxyLuxe. Sorry, I think there are a lot of things in it. So see how huge the box is? I will be going through each and every product, and I will be trying on whatever the products need to be tried on. I already have my base on, just a little bit lip balm on, and we will move towards the box and let's see what we got this month. Alright, so the first thing that I see is the pamphlet that I have been missing from, I think, at least a couple months now. I wasn't getting any of the boxy pamphlets that tell you what you are getting in your box. It says pretty edgy. That's how it looks like. And it mentions all the products that I have and the prices with that. So let's start with the first product that's right here is Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is for $70. This is how the eye cream looks like. I'm gonna show you guys. Really smooth. So the next product that we have is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum and Coco Cabana Cream Duo. I've tried this one before. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and then this is the Coco Cabana Cream. Oh yeah, I remember. Jeez, I love this, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand here. This feels so good, and it is super moisturizing. I know people are crazy about this, so I'm really happy that I got this in my box. Now let's see how about this one. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try this on the other side here. I don't mind the scent of it. These are for $15. Moving on to the next product, we have something that I was really excited about. It is the BoxyCharm Hello Charmer palette. It retails for $39, and that's what it looks like. These are the shades in the palette. Oh my god, oh my god. I am really loving this one. I might even use this today, but I love how they have the shade names. I am really excited to try this out. And the next product is this PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I have heard so much about this product, and I love that I got the pink color. It matches my t-shirt today. So I have heard a lot about this, that it's really good if you're double cleansing. I went ahead and I added battery in it. They do give you a battery with that, and they give you this little, like, I don't know, like bowl or stand. It's so that you can like put it on the table and it won't like fall over because this thing is curved. So I can see myself at the bottom here. I really like it. I am gonna give this a try tonight, and I will update you guys on how it worked for me. But I am pretty sure like the bristles it's like so soft. I'm pretty sure it's gonna do a good job at cleaning my skin. I'm gonna turn it on so that you guys can hear. There are 4 settings on it. Use twice daily to cleanse skin for a fresh, radiant look. Use the anti-aging massager often. It is most effective in applying serums and moisturizers. This part at the back, okay, sorry. Yeah, this at the back would be good if you use it when you're applying the moisturizer and everything. So really excited about that. Next product that we have right here is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and it is for $25. So this is what the packaging looks like, and I got the shade London Calling 2761. I really like how it looks. The shade actually looks like this. The next product is the Zoeva Premier Blush Palette, and it retails for $19. These are the shades that we have right here. So we have Fame and Fortune, which is this shade. We have 1929, which is this shade right here, and we have Curtain Call, which is this beautiful pink, like dark pink shade. The next product that I'm pulling out is from Spongel. It's the Body Wash Infused Buffer. It retails for $16. So this is how the packaging looks like. So it's like a really cute, like flower shaped something, and the directions say place sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin, squeeze out excess water after each use. Next product that I'm pulling out is also a choice product. I love Moroccan. I've used their Moroccan oil and it works so great for me. I love the scent of it. It's so amazing. So this is the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. It retails for $30. It's 160 milliliters. So it says it shields your hair color from daily damage, which I have quite a lot. Protect and Prevent Spray helps keep hair color from fading or becoming brassy by protecting it from exposure to environmental factors that weaken the hair. So I'm gonna put some of it right now in my hair. It does smell amazing. Okay, so that is all I got for my Boxy charm. I will be leaving the total on the screen right here. We got 8 products this month and I'm really happy and excited for the products that I received. Alright, I already have my lids primed, and the shade that I'm gonna use first is this Cup of Joe. Let's see how it works for me. It does have a little bit of fallout, so be aware of that. I don't mind the fallout as long as the eyeshadow is working nice for me. And I'm not sure how much can you see this shadow because it is like really a transition shade. Next, just to add a little bit of pink or like brick red shade, I'm gonna use this Unboxing, and I'm gonna deepen up the outer corners a little bit. So I use the exact 2 shades on my lower lash line as well, and I am really feeling the shade Swipe Up, this shade, oh, right here. So I'm gonna use my finger because I believe that shimmers best apply with your fingers. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, do you guys see that? Isn't that the most beautiful shimmer or glitter that I've seen ever? For my inner corners, I'm gonna use this shade called Pop Up, just to actually pop the inner corners of my eyes. Wow, I am so impressed by this look. Like, it didn't take long at all for me to do this eye look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade called Curtain Call and apply it on my cheeks. I love how pink but still like soft it is. Some pink blushes that I have are really like harsh, you could say, and I don't like that at all. But this one is like pink but like soft, you know. Really like how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade called 1929 as my highlight. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. That's really nice. It's such a gorgeous shade. Like, at first I thought it's gonna be really yellow just because it looks really golden in the pan, but it's actually not. It suits the eyes really well. And I'm gonna put on my nose as well. Oh. I'm gonna swatch the shade Fame and Fortune for you guys just to show you how it looks. So this is the Fame and Fortune shade. I'm not sure if I would use this as my highlight like ever, just because this is too pink for a highlight. Yeah, I'm not sure what it adds to my cheeks, but I think I can use it as an eyeshadow for sure. The next product that we are using to complete this look is the NARS lipstick. Let's see how the shade looks like. Oh, that's a purple shade. Okay. Wow. Honestly, in my whole life, I have never used a shade this dark. I mean, I've used red, I've used pink, but never this shade. Oh my god, I don't even know how it's looking. Like, it's not matching with the eye look at all. Maybe if the eye look was a bit different, but I don't know. I'm gonna use this Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Angel or whatever it's called, to see if somehow I can make this lip work for me. Well, I was able to lighten it up a little bit. I am not sure if I am liking it or not. Like, this is not the shade that I would wear on my own, or I would ever buy. This is a really dark shade for me. I've used browns, I've used reds, I have used dark pinks, but never like a pure purple shade. Let me come back with the whole look and I will finish the video and I will tell you what I liked in the box and what I did not. Alright you guys, I am back after completing this look. I went ahead, put mascara and also a little bit of bronzer on. So just to review what my favorites were in this box, one of them would be the Moroccan Protect and Prevent spray. The other one would be this Brazilian Boom Bum cream, whatever it's called. I did really enjoy the palette as well. So the Hello Charmer palette, loved that. I love the look that I got from this palette. Like, it's so beautiful, super basic, but it looks glam AF. So I really enjoyed that. The other product would be this PMD cleanser. The only thing that I did not like, I mean, I love the pigment, I love the formula of NARS. It's not sticky, it's not runny. I'm gonna see if I can find some other shades that match me even better on their website. But as for this one, the shade London Calling, I think it was too dark for me and I'm not sure how it's even looking right now. I mean, I by myself, I am not comfortable in this shade. I'm gonna take it off right after the video, but I wanted to show you guys how it looked and I had to use my Stila liquid lipstick. This shade is too light for me. Like, I'll swatch it for you guys. It is a nice nude shade, but it is too light for me. You see? on my lips, like that looks really weird. So I have a dark lipstick, I have a light lipstick. I use them both just to create this sort of lip combo. Alright you guys, so that will be all for my today's video, and let me know you guys what you received this month, if you liked your box, and how did you enjoy today's unboxing and try on with me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It really helps, and I love you guys so much.